Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So finally Nifty has closed below 17,000. So does it mean it is going to fall furthermore? We'll have to wait and see. Before that, many people were telling whatever was happening in the market for last 1 week or 10 days. If you know, market was drastically coming down from 18,000 levels. It came all the way. Today it is down below 17,000. So earlier people were telling that this fall is not because of FII and this is because of Omicron, new variant of coronavirus, which is Omicron. And suddenly today everybody has changed that this is not Omicron, this is FII, due to FII. And we have told earlier also, this is not Omicron, this is FII selling. They see Indian companies are highly valued, high valuation, that's why they are moving out. And they came out with various other explanations also. But this is purely not because of Omicron, this is because of FII sellings. Now, if you see the markets, we are below 17,000. Does it mean we are going to head towards 16,000 or 15,500, whatever? We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to see the tomorrow's price action. If you see the charts, now previously on 29th of November, this area was tested around 16,750. Around 16,750 or 16,800 or between 16,700 to 16,800. Now that is the very crucial support. Once this is taken, then we can see Nifty going towards 16,000 to 15,500 levels on the downside. That we will have to wait and see tomorrow. If the bears are able to close below 16,800, let's say they close around 16,600, then we are heading towards 15,500. This 20-day 200 DMA or it is called 10% correction. We have already, if we touch 16,750, it is 10% correction from the top, which is around 18,600. Now, if we touch this one, if we are breaking these levels around 16,850 or 16,700 levels tomorrow, then we may head towards 15,500 to 16,000 level. So that is going to be very crucial. You have to see this price action tomorrow. As of now, US futures are really in the green. I think Dow is up by 200 or 250 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green. European markets were also in the green. In spite of all markets being in the green, we started falling. And if you see the market, the second half of the trading session was very aggressive and selling was so aggressive. I'm sure FII would have sold more than around 5,000 crores, and this is happening for a very long time. On a daily, on an average, they are selling between 3,000 to 5,000 crores, and DIIs are not able to match this one. If when we talk about Omicron is not the issue. If Omicron was the issue, you go and check the Nifty 50 Nifty 50 companies. Dr. Reddy's laboratory is down by, I think, let me show you. Yeah, Cipla is down by 7.3% this week alone. Davis lab is down by 5.6%. Dr. Reddy's lab is down by 4.2%. So all the things are showing negative. Everything is showing negative. Everything is bearish, and even market participants, retailers are turning bearish because they are afraid. Whenever they take the market on the upside, FIIs are coming and aggressively selling aggressively selling. So either they sell in the first half of the trading session or they sell after the European markets open. So this is the trend this is the scenario which has been happening for around 1 week or 2 weeks in a row, and that is what we experienced today also. So tomorrow, you remember, tomorrow is going to be an important day. If this 16,800 is broken, then we are heading towards 15,000 to 15,500 to 16,000 levels. And if you see the bank nifty, already it is in a very hard, very volatile and hard area. Now, if tomorrow, if bank nifty it is already closed below 36,000, so 36,000 was a good support. Since it has closed below 36,000, if the market accentuates or if the market keeps on moving on the downside, we will bank nifty may head towards 32,000. And if you see on the open interest side, there is aggressive call writing even in 17,100. People are writing 17,100 call option. So you imagine how much bearish people are, market participants are. So from 17,100 till 17,400 or even 17,500, aggressive call writing. There is no put writing at all. There is no volume in puts. Only calls are having highest volume. So imagine how much bearish market even the market participants are, and you devise a strategy or plan your trades. Anyway, India VIX is up by around more than 20, another 5 or 6 points, then we will stop trading. We are not going to trade. So I advise you also, in case if India VIX touches, for me it is 25. If India VIX touches, if goes above 25, then whether we are in profit or whether we are in loss, we will stop trading. We don't have, I will not wait till it goes to 32 or 35. 25 is the normal. 25 is the thumb rule. If it touches 25, just stop. I will just stop trading and take some rest, which is very much needed nowadays. So this is a market scenario, and there is that CPI core price inflation data, that data, this data, everything is factored into it. We don't have to look at that. Many people ask, why are you not saying that data? Why are you not telling about the events? Only major event we are looking into is repo rates. Reserve Bank of India, Shaktikanta Das, I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow there is a meeting. Only we look into that things. Apart from that, small inflation data, price, WPI, that data, this data and all, we don't look. And this data and all are available to investors much before we think, much before the data is available to retail traders. So they have the data much earlier than we have. So everything, whatever is price action, whatever is happening in the market are factored into. So we don't have to look into so many deep things. So, and it doesn't make any significance also. That is the reason we don't talk about these things. So that's it. Now you have to focus on the market. We will see where the market is heading. In case market, as I told you, in case market is closing below 16,800 or 700 level, 16,700 to 16,800. If this area is broken tomorrow, if bears are able to close below this level, then we are heading towards 15,500 to 16,000. There will be a free fall both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And let me check if FII data has come. And I am sure it would have not come, because the way they are selling, it was really aggressive, right? So we'll have to wait and see. No, it has not yet come. So last trading session, that is Friday also, they have sold for around 3,356 crores. So trade with caution and always be careful. And as I told you, if India VIX shoots more than 25%, try to stop trading, whether you are in profit or whether you are in loss. Just try to stop trading. You will not be able to handle this kind of movements. Market will make two-way, three-way move. So I advise you sincerely, you consider this very cautiously and consider this very seriously, that don't try to trade if India VIX shoots up above 25 or 26 or maximum 27 level. So that is the best level to exit the market for a time being. You don't have to, like, markets are going to be here even next 100 200 years, it is going to be here. But our capital is very important. We will have to protect our capital. You will not be able to manage the movements. So it is better to avoid trading when India VIX is above 26 to 25 to 27 levels, right? So that is the thing, and as I told you, markets, European and US markets are all in the green. SGX Nifty is almost flat, so we'll wait and see what happens tomorrow. Take care, bye.